Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change profile picture on Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change profile picture on Sweatcoin, all you need to do is first of all tap open your Sweatcoin app and then tap on the profile icon on the left hand side of the corner. Then all you need to do is simply tap on the pencil-like icon, which is edit profile, which will now take you to this page. So simply tap on the change avatar option and from your gallery select any of the picture you want and hit on the save changes option. After you do this, you will successfully be able to change your profile picture on your Sweatcoin app, which you can refresh and check it out on the app itself. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.